everyone. As promised, I have came up with new video which is introduction to C++ basically. It is object-oriented programming language. It was developed by Bjarne Stroustrup at AT&T Ray Hill, New Jersey, USA in the early 1980s. It is a superset of C. Most of what we have already know about C++ applies to C++ also. So what are the applications of C++? It is a versatile language which is used for handling a very large programs. It is suitable for virtually any programming task, includes development of editors, compilers, databases, communication systems, and any complex real-life application system. Since C++ allow us to create hierarchy-related objects, we can build a special object-oriented library which can be used later by many programmers. While C++ is able to map the real-world problem properly, the C part of C++ gives the language ability to get close into the machine level details. C++ are easily maintainable and expandable when a new feature needs to be implemented. It is very easy to add the existing structure of an object. As you know, in Python, it is a very difficult to add the new structures, new functions into the existing structure. But C++ programming is not like that, and it is a very closely monitored to the CPU or machine language. Now we will get into the basic syntax for writing any C++ program. That is hash include iostream, which using namespace std int main bracket open cout hello world return 0 and function close. Now, one by one, I will cover the things which are mentioned in the previous slide. That is header file. Hash include iostream is header file. It is a type of a C++ directory which contain function. Basically, input and output functions which we use in the function is included in this hash include iostream. Second is comments. Comment. This line is a comment line. Like you are seeing double slash, it is a comment line. A comment is used to display additional information about the program. A comment does not contain any programming logic. When a comment is encountered by a compiler, the compiler simply skips that line of code, and it can be single line comment and multi-line comments. Like हम डबल स्लैश को जब इस्तेमाल करेंगे कोडिंग के अंदर, तो वो क्या कहते हैं, कंपाइलर जब रन करेगा तो वो उस चीज को स्किप कर देगा, एंड आफ्टर दैट वो चीज जो है, अगर हमें कोई बाहर से किसी को प्रोग्राम देखना है हमारा सी प्लस प्लस का प्रोग्राम, तो वो हमारे कमेंट्स को देख सकता है कि हमने ये फंक्शन बनाया, ये चीज है, पर वो चीज जो है वो कंपाइलर अपने फंक्शन के अंदर रन नहीं करेगा. Two types of comments are there. Like first comment is single line comment and second is multi line comment. We will see everything in the detailed version in coding in next videos. Next is namespace std. This is used to import the entity of std namespace into the current namespace of the program. It is basically a space where all the inbuilt feature of C++ are declared using namespace std. Like all the directory or the built-in functions which you have studied in Python, that all the built-in functions we have to call, so we will use using namespace std function. Main, it is used to call the function made by the user. Like it is the entry point, it is starting out. Like when we have open this curly bracket, it is the entry point of the program or the function we will made or we will call out. है ना? Like I will tell you more about it in the detail. Like we will go in the restaurant, and a customer is saying that they need to eat paneer butter masala. So if they have to eat paneer butter masala, then waiter will tell to chef will tell to someone that ready these utensils, I will cook that. So it is like that, है ना? Cout function. It is an output operator which display the final result on the final screen of the function which is called by the user. Like we have used Python na, like print statement. So it is same like that. Cout hello double greater than hello world. So it is like that. We will use that command to cout, and this cout double greater than sign will print this hello world on the our output or the terminal है ना. Return, it returns the result in the integer value of the function if there is no sort of error in the function. Like return, you have seen in the syntax slide na, I have mentioned return 0, so it will only return the value when there is no error in the function. Okay, then we will learn more about variables in C++. It is a type of a container to hold the data. Like in the bottle, in the water bottle, we store the water, and many in many containers we use different type of things. Na, so it is like that. Variables are that storage container in which data is stored. And there are many types of variables like integer. Integers are 0, 1, 2, and 3. Float, char, double, boolean are true and false, and many things we will study later on. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe and share also.